Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mac. Today we're going to do is a breakfast potato, bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, and we're only going to do one sandwich. I seen this here recipe on Instagram and I thought that it would be a fine recipe to try, and I've never did nothing like this before. So let me go ahead and break it down to y'all exactly what I'm doing and what I'm working with. So I have one baked potato, all right, and I've cut the edges off the baked potato, and I'm also going to cut at least 3 slices off of this here baked potato. I got 2 wooden skewers, all right, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I have these skewers. So I'm gonna take the slice of baked potato, 1 slice, and I'm gonna put it right between the 2 skewers. I want you to start cutting vertically on one side. Start cutting thin slices. Now the wooden skewers is going to keep the blade from going all the way through. After that, I want you to go ahead and flip it over on the other side and start cutting a vertical cut, all right, on the other side. So one side is going to be a diagonal cut. Can't get it right, it's tongue twister for me right now. And then on the other side, I want you to cut a vertical cut on the sliced potato. And this is going to be a good breakfast, y'all. I'm telling you right off the bat, if you try it, you're going to love it. I guarantee. All right. So if you can see how flexible this here potato is now versus from how it looked when I first cut it, this is the reason why we're using those skewers, to keep it from cutting all the way through. Now I want you to take your bowl and add you some salt to this. And then I want you to add some garlic jalapeno seasoning. I'm using this Weber seasoning, which I found this at Walmart. And then I want you to go ahead and also add in some onion powder. After you add the onion powder, I want you to go ahead and add in some paprika, all right? Now, after you add the paprika, let's go ahead and wet this here seasoning up. We're gonna brush this on our potatoes. I want you to take some olive oil, okay? And add it to the seasoning, and then I want you to start mixing things up. Let's incorporate everything, because we're gonna add this to our potato slices. Now, once you got everything mixed up in the bowl, I want you to take your slices, and I want you to get that seasoning all up in there, all between the cracks and the crevices, or whatever the case may be. Spread them open. You understand what I'm saying? So season up both sides of these. I want you to take your baking pan with some parchment paper, because that's what we're going to place these potatoes on. Set your oven at 425 degrees. I want you to put your potatoes in and let them cook for at least around 25 to 30 minutes until they're brown, just like these potatoes here. Now once they're done, to the point of their being tender, and I want you to take some cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like and start putting them on top. And then I want you to place them right back inside that oven so that the cheese can melt. The browner your potatoes, the better they'll be. Okay, I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. Now, once your cheese is melted and you put it in the oven, I want you to go ahead and take them out of that oven, the oven, and let's go ahead and build a sandwich. So the first potato is gonna go on the bottom. I want you to make you a scrambled egg. All right, put it on there. I want you to fry you up some bacon, and I want you to put that bacon on top of that egg. Then I want you to put another patty. I want you to put another potato patty in between. I'm making this a triple decker, y'all. I'm going all out on this one. I want you to place another egg on it, and then I want you to place at least some more bacon. How much bacon you want, it all depends on you. All right, so I got 3 little cut slices on this here. Then I want you to take that last patty, which has the cheese on it, flip it, all right, with the cheese on the inside. And just for, camera's sake, I just went on and I took some of my favorite seasoning and draped it on top, just so I can get a good picture or whatever. But this is when the excitement comes. When I pick this sucker up, this is when the flavor profiles kicked in. when I picked this sucker up. This is when I heard my wife say, I want some, and I just didn't want to give her none. You understand what I'm saying? Because I wanted it all to myself, but I had to share. But when I bit into this here, man, oh my God, it was good, y'all. I'm telling you, try this here recipe. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This is a man's meal if it's a triple decker. But if it's a woman, if you want a woman, make it a woman meal, make it a single. She'll love it. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with this here. I got to go. Peace. Thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. I want to thank you for watching this here video. If you can see my picture right now, click on that picture and please subscribe to my channel and watch these here videos. In all of my videos, I always say love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys and I say peace.